In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a dashboard in Freshdesk. Whether you're tailoring individual agent views or curating comprehensive insights for your team, mastering dashboard customization in Freshdesk will enhance your productivity and better communicate key metrics. Let's dive into the process together and ensure you have a complete understanding of how to effectively make these edits. First and foremost, it's important to note that only dashboard owners have the ability to edit. If you find that you're not listed as an owner, you'll need to reach out for the necessary permissions, or alternatively, have another team member who is already an owner make those changes for you. With that essential groundwork laid, let's proceed. To embark on your customization journey, navigate to the Dashboard tab within Freshdesk. Here, you'll select the specific dashboard you want to modify. You'll notice a pencil icon located in the top right corner. This is your gateway to edit mode. By clicking on this icon, you'll enter a new realm where you can begin shaping the dashboard to fit your precise needs. Once in edit mode, you have a myriad of options to refine the dashboard. You might want to start with renaming the dashboard to better reflect its purpose or the updated content. Next, consider the visibility settings. Do you want this dashboard visible to all agents, or should it be accessible only to certain groups? Adjust these settings based on who needs to see the insights the most. Adding and configuring widgets is where your customization can really take flight. Use the Add Widgets button to introduce new elements to your dashboard. You can then define their settings such as metrics, group parameters, and timeframes. Take the time to arrange these widgets in a layout that best suits your workflow. Simply drag and place them wherever they visually fit best. An intuitive feature is the ability to clone dashboards. This can be particularly helpful if you want to make significant changes without affecting the original setup. By cloning, you create an editable copy, offering peace of mind that the original data presentation remains intact. After you've made all your desired edits, it's crucial to save your work. Confirm your updates by clicking the Save button, ensuring that all adjustments are preserved and instantly reflected. For those of you managing team dashboards, there are additional features to amplify team communication. You can set up announcements using the Announcements button. These broadcasts can reach team members directly within the app, complete with view tracking and even an option to halt the broadcast as necessary. And there you have it, a structured guide to editing dashboards within Freshdesk. By following these instructions, you'll be well equipped to customize and optimize your data presentation, ultimately aiding in more informed decision-making. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dashboard editing.